What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how to make a mini pencil out of these. But first, you're going to need one of these pencils, and you could use scissors if you want. I'd say that's the best thing to cut it with. You could use a knife, but it's very easy. And all you're going to need to do is take out the lead. You're going to want to take out the lead for it. See that? Then put this back in. Quick. Oh my god, that's a pain. I'd say you're gonna need I want that pointing. So then you're gonna need to take out that and undo this. Watch. Push that in, it comes out. So then you're gonna cut it to however low you want it. You want it like this one because this one turned out the greatest. And this one, you could see it has like that big space, and when you look at this, it has that small space. So you're gonna cut it about right there. Okay, so